What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today we're going to put to the test 10 more kitchen gadgets I found on Amazon. Let's see what I got this time. Here's a little hot dog maker for buns like that, and it is the best way to eat hot dogs. I used to eat them this way as a child. So you get yourself this kind of bun, not sure what they called, cut off the end, give it to the ducks, whatever, and then grab this and just, you know, kind of look like a drill in a sense, and push it all the way down, and it kind of feels like it's okay. That's it, this is good. And then squish it, you can even push some of the extra out, looking good. Then you get yourself ketchup and fill it up, stay down before you put the hot dog. What else? Maybe some other toppings. I love ketchup and mayonnaise. Am I weird, or is it just thinner for some people? Boom, fill it up. Then you can do other toppings, but let's stick a hot dog next. And then when you're ready to put the hot dog in, check this out. The best part is, whenever you buy the hot dog, none of the ketchup or toppings will never fall out. Remember that lemon juicer? Now they have made it metal. Check this out. I wish it was bigger. When you buy online, you never know what you're going to get, so I'm gonna use it for lime. Let's try it. How cool is that? Squeeze all the lemon out. Just wanted to show it to you. There you go. Maybe different angle. Put it in and pour in a lot of lemon. And it's super durable, so I don't think it'll break anytime soon. And it is stainless steel, so it shouldn't rust either. So one more. That's a bit too big of a lime, so that's what I mean. They should make it a bit bigger, but it has no problem. Looks like it did good. Let's try to squish it a little bit deeper in there. Nope, it's as big as it can get. But look at that pour. That is awesome. So yeah, a really good upgrade. Now it's all metal. Super nice. Got it here, very unique can opener. It opens up this way. It has a blade. Lock it up, and all I have to do is crank it like this. It's kind of like almost a workout at the same time too. Get your wrist stronger. Boom. Whoops. You know what? No big deal. There's a magnet. I got right here a new egg separator. It looks like a McDonald's kids meal. You know, when you have to assemble your toy. This is what it feels like right now. I can't believe this is actual gadget. Simple as that. A little basket, a basketball holder. Okay, it goes on one of these balls. And let's throw some hoops, I guess. Okay, they are advertising a crack it on here. And drop the egg in here. Some big eggs. And it's nothing happening. Gonna stuck here. I guess do I shake the whole ball? That's a fail. It's a cool looking gadget, but I feel like it's not working that good. We can blame the eggs, but we can also try it to grab a different egg, crack it with one hand. Too deep. But you know what? The egg yolks fell apart. Boom. There you go. This is such a better egg yolk separator. Look at that. Instantaneous. Even with this kind of egg, I see some shell in there. Boom. Look, it even took the shell out. The only thing is, like, I got practice with cracking the eggs with one hand, or I could put it onto the bowl. I failed again. Crack the egg, two hands, most comfortable with. There you go. And then lift it up and then shake it. Look at that, egg yolk coming out, and all of the egg yolk we want to take out, and boom. Bottle emptying cups. So this one's pretty cool gadget. So it's for the honey. Honey takes a very long time to dip down, have a viscosity, thicker viscosity, so there's that. And even with these things, when it turns out, it doesn't get it all the way. so you could just remove that. And also you have to squirt it multiple times to get the amount you want. And there's different sizes of the bottle, so you can go as big as this and then smaller, smaller, smaller. So adjust that. Feel like we can do smaller, maybe not. Let's see, that's too big, so that's also too big. So that would be the yellow one. We'll go for this one. And also I could put one of those rings in there as well. It's reusable, but I have tested it without the ring and I had no problem. This stuff not leaked. But there's different sizes bottles. And now you can hold it upside down and it stands really, really well with the tripod. And then whenever you want to open something, and take as much soap as you want instead of squirting it, but you really like this kind of soap and it only comes with these little dispensers, this might be easier. Wash your hands. Got right here interesting gadget to cut a cantaloupe or whatever. Oh wow, will it actually work? No way. All the way to the bottom. It actually worked. How cool was that? I thought I'll have to cut it in half, and now it's going to be even easier and easier. Let's see, line it up. There you go. That is so hilarious. I know about the seeds. I guess I could use this to remove the seeds. Maybe the other side, so that way it's not so sharp. Oh, that's a good thing right here. Okay, let me cut it in half. That is so funny. It works so well. Boom. And I could even use this to remove the seeds and everything. I know it is a little bit awkward, but it works so well. Check this out. Boom. It just lines up really, really good. Wow, this is perfect. Oh, this is not a cooking channel. This is a gadgets test channel. So it makes sense. Let me take off this core so it's a bit easier. Okay, now it's chopped up. Now let's see if we could do this side here. Doesn't work this way as much. I guess we can go this way right here and remove. I guess we can go this way and remove the peel as well. I know, a little bit awkward, but has some potential. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Thank you for watching. See you next time.